I'm really pleased that here at StewMac we've come up with 3 of our own ukulele kits. The Soprano little one, medium-sized concert, and the bigger tenor. These kits are fun and easy to build, and they make great sounding instruments. We shot 10 videos, one for each step, and it shows you everything you need to know. And if you follow along step by step, you can't go wrong. You don't need special tools. Most of the tools you probably already have around the house. And you don't need a workshop. You can build this kit right on a kitchen table. We came up with this really simple jig that you can make from a piece of plywood and 4 angle brackets that holds the body in shape while you build. The finishing is easy. We use wipe-on poly, which is a good-looking, durable finish, easy to apply. It doesn't require any spraying or hassling about it. You could finish this any color you wanted. It could be a stain or a sunburst. We finish it with clear on one, just the natural mahogany, and the other we stain dark brown to look like an old Martin, and we'll show you how to do that. That's mahogany top, solid wood. The same mahogany and plywood holds the shape for your sides. It's pre-bent. They'll fit right into the mold that you make. The neck is pre-shaped. You couldn't shape a neck your first time out, but you do have to sand it when you put the fretboard on. The fretboard is walnut and it's pre-slotted, so you don't have to cut the slots and get off, but you do have to fret it. And that's fun, and that's your entry into lutherie. So let's get started.